Okay, so I was at work and we were discussing disc sanders of all things, and we were looking at them all and they all looked a bit small. Well, I picked this up from Screwfix. Wasn't particularly expensive, but I'll have a look. I think it was about 150 quid, 140 quid. Let's see what's in the box. Right, an instruction book. It's a hell of a box. A lot of polystyrene, right. It's not for coming out. Oh man. We've got mitre gauge on a T-slot. Just tip it out. There we go. Okay. That's the box. Right, I'll take this off of here. Right, okay, I've taken the camera out of the tripod. I'm going to have a look at it, get rid of the wax paper. It's actually covered in oil of all things as well. Yeah, it's packed well. I'm not sure the wife's going to be too happy with me leaving paper there. However, she's not in, so haha. Okay, so that's my hand. That's the size of the disc. That's bonded to there. I think it's just one grit. I don't think it's changeable. Okay, big motor. And what have we got? This speed 1450. It's 240 volts. 25.5 kilos. So what's that? 55 pound, 56 pounds. Standard weight. Adjustable table with a locking mechanism. That's easy, one-handed adjuster. There's one on either side. That's not too bad then, is it? It's actually quite cool, that. And how easy does this go in here? Okay. It's not particularly close to the disc. It's okay. Alright, we'll see what it's like when it's running then. Okay, so I've got it running. There's a lot of noise in here. The CNC machine is running. We'll give this a quick test. This is maple. Not very clever doing it. So, yeah, pretty impressed actually. It's quite nice, it's got a flat table, it's stable enough. I used a roofing square to set it square. I would imagine that you'd need some sort of gauge to set the angle. I have one of these for my table saw, so I'd imagine that once I've set it there I can set that as well. So yeah. For what I paid, fantastic, actually. It does that maple, God knows what it's going to do to soft ones like pine. So yeah, this review is, well, I quite like it actually, very nice. And to be honest, it makes hardly any noise. Most of the noise you'll hear is my CNC machine. So yeah, nice piece of kit at a great price. Cheers guys.